Hi, I'm Reed Lessing. I teach at Concordia University in St. Paul, Minnesota. I invite you to come and be a part of my summer workshop on the book of Job called Blessed Be the Name of the Lord. I'm looking forward to 3 days in Ohio going through this wonderful book. Those who participate will be resourced with a Lenten sermon series on the book of Job that also comes with orders of worship. You'll also get a 7-week Bible study that accompanies the study and the sermon series on the book of Job. So I invite you to sign up, come, and be enriched and enlivened by one of the greatest books in the Old Testament, the book of Job. Hope to see you soon.